Hey there, it's Jenny, and I am back with you this week to share how I am planning out in my Bujo. That's right, I have a bullet journal. I have been working on a bullet journal for about 5 months now and never finding the right subject for it. I absolutely love bullet journaling, but couldn't figure out how to use it best. And right now I am working on a memory a day planner, and so I am happy to share the process with you. I am simply creating a few rectangles. They are 6 centimeters wide by 7.5 centimeters tall, and I'm drawing them in pencil. Sometimes, like this week, I don't need them to be done in pencil first based on the design. However, I have decided that it's best to do all of them in pencil first, just in case I switch up the design or I forget. I'm going to use 3 little snowflake stamps from both of these Cocoa Daisy stamp sets. These are from the Winter Twilight collection. I believe this is all sold out now, but Cocoa Daisy always has a bunch of beautiful stamps. And I'm going to use these 3 colors of Distress Oxide to stamp out the snowflakes. I'm going to use one for each color. Now you can see I put down a sticky note as a mask, and it's simply to keep any stamping off of that section where I don't want any. So I'm working right to left, filling in all of the space in the center with this varied stamp pattern. And I'm just moving the sticky note around based on where I'm stamping. Obviously, I could have put sticky notes out in every single section. However, I decided not to do that, just move the one worked fine for me. I love, love, love this color palette. I think it's so pretty. I have used it repeatedly over the last couple of months. That's how much I love it. I think it's just really beautiful. These 3 Distress Oxide colors together are absolutely marvelous, and it is really fun when you love what you're working on. It really just makes it all so fun, and I was really excited to get to the end. I accidentally put the wrong stamp color on that tiny little snowflake. I don't know what I was thinking, so I had to go back and clean it off so I could get the right color on there. Of course, it would not have mattered. It would be a-okay if I mixed it up. However, I just decided that I wanted to go back to the original color, so it was easy enough to clean off. So you can see I'm just varying it. There's really no rhyme or reason. I'm just sort of looking at the stamps that I already just stamped and the color and the location to choose my next one, and I love it. You can see that I have another ink pad underneath the left-hand side. It can be hard to stamp on the left-hand side of these Archer and Olive books, which, by the way, I am a huge fan of Archer and Olive, and if you have not tried them, you should, because the paper is so smooth and it's like magic, and they're such high quality, and Archer and Olive really stand for some amazing things and support a whole wide variety of artists. I will link up Archer and Olive below. You should definitely check out these journals. There is no bleed through whatsoever. I can use any ink that I want in here, and it turns out great. So now I'm just stamping the dates, and I'm using a different color of Distress Oxide. It's one of the things I love most about the Distress Oxides is that they come in a wide variety of colors, and they're just so beautiful, and they have sort of that chalky appearance because of the formulation of the ink. They are not a chalk ink, but it gives a really beautiful effect. I absolutely love it. And this gray is another one of my very favorite colors, and I love it paired with these blues as well. Just absolutely stunning. So now the purpose of this journal is that I'm just going to write one memory a day, keeping it super simple, and it gives me the opportunity to be really creative and document memories from each day. And again, this doesn't mean like, oh, had a great soccer practice today. It just means something that stuck out in my mind for that day. And hopefully it will be a wide variety of things and help me tell yet more stories about my family. Then I go back and I write over the pencils in black marker or Papermate Flare pen, and that's it for me. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.